Maintaining Efficiency, Stinako's Maintenance Services. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Stinako is a corporation specializing in the maintenance of boiler rooms and thermal power plants, as well as power generating and distribution facilities. We recognize the importance of these vital systems and know that adequate maintenance is key to guaranteeing their dependability and durability. In this video, we'll go through the services we provide and the advantages of entrusting your facility's maintenance to Stinako. The importance of maintenance, Stinako's proven facilities management approach. Facilities must be maintained to ensure long-term proper workflow. Proper maintenance extends the service life of built-in equipment while also eliminating numerous possible difficulties in the event of a breakdown. The Stinako organization is involved in the maintenance of boiler rooms and thermal power plants, as well as the infrastructure for energy generation and distribution. The maintenance of these facilities varies, and you can get a thorough explanation of each of them in the links given below. Stinako Maintenance Services. Stinako provides the following maintenance services. Power station maintenance. Routine maintenance of thermal power plants, as well as electricity generating and distribution infrastructure, is critical for both facility operators and maintenance suppliers. An unmaintained or badly kept facility might result in a power outage, damage, or, in the worst-case situation, the destruction of critical client equipment. A brief station closure is required for thermal power plant repair. The current pieces must then be replaced or repaired, which must be done by skilled and experienced workers. In most circumstances, replacement and repairs may be accomplished by a mix of welding processes performed by a suitably experienced welder. Following the replacement and repair processes, the plant is restarted, and the material behavior is continuously monitored. Finally, we execute repairs and finalize the plant's startup. The foundation of such facility maintenance is the replacement of old piping and components with new ones. Depending on the kind of facility, they might be built of ferrous or stainless steel. Boiler room maintenance. Boiler rooms are facilities in which the boiler, furnace, plays a major role in providing adequate thermal energy for the facility's heating and, if necessary, the preparation of residential hot water. They differ in terms of the material utilized for firing and the amount of area they occupy. The vast majority of boiler rooms run on fuel oil, gas, or solid fuels. Since high temperatures in the boiler induce deformations and fissures in particular materials, the uninterrupted and continuous functioning of boiler rooms needs frequent maintenance. Before replacing the individual parts, our adequately certified employees do a pressure test and examination of the existing pipe. The information gathered helps us to calculate the rate of wear and tear as well as the welding methods. This is followed by the dismantling of existing elements and the welding of new ones. Following welding, we attach the boiler room pipework, in line with the stipulated schematic. Following a positive X-ray check, we do a pressure test at the specified pressure and turn on the boiler. Thank you for viewing our video on boiler room, thermal power station, and electricity generating and distribution facility maintenance services. Stinako is dedicated to delivering trustworthy and high-quality maintenance services to guarantee your facilities run smoothly. Please contact us if you have any questions or need our maintenance services. We are excited to work with you and ensure the long-term success of your facilities.